Hi boys and girls, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to get on Google Docs so that you may begin typing your assignments in that program and sending them to me electronically. So as we do with most of our other things, you're going to start in ClassLink. You're going to find the icon that says Google Docs. There's several things with Google in the name, but you're looking for Google Docs, which is an abbreviation for documents. You're going to click on Google Docs, and it may take a second or two to load. Then you're going to click on the plus sign for a blank document, and that's going to immediately take you to where you need to be to begin typing. Please don't change the font here. There are lots of different fonts that you can use, but if you'll just stick to something simple like Arial, which should be the first one that pops up, that makes it a lot easier for me to be able to read. You'll follow the directions for what your writing assignment is for that day. Then you'll begin your assignment. So you'll type in the text box. Now, your assignment will be a lot longer than that. This is just an example. When you're finished with your assignment, it's time for you to share it with me. So you're going to go to the share box and click it. They want you to name your assignment before you share it. When you name your assignment, make the name something similar to the actual assignment. For instance, you have one in your Canvas pages that was writing a friendly letter. So I might name this one Friendly Letter. And you're going to save it. Now it says share with people in groups. You are only going to share it with me. So you will start typing my last name. You'll find Leanne Tolliver. It should be the only Tolliver that pops up for you. And then you're going to send it to me. So, pretty simple. Anytime you have something that you would like to type out to me and share with me, that is the procedure that you will follow. Make sure that you are in Google Docs. Make sure that you name it. It will always ask you for a name if it doesn't already have one, and then make sure that you share it with me. All right, thanks.